Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can turn off everyone to download your TikTok videos. This helps those who be not enjoying having anyone downloading their videos. This increase the privacy for your TikTok. So today I'm going to teach you how you can mute everyone to download your TikTok videos. It's simple. Simply start by opening TikTok. Then simply go on the menu profile button. Then click on this 3 dots in the corner. Then after having this results, simply click on privacy. Then go on downloads. And from now you can see that from here you can choose to mute your downloads, so simply enable this button, and your video's downloading permission is turned off, and you can always come back here and turn them on. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.